You are trying to clean up your PC, but Windows says no. You get this annoying trusted installer error. Even as an admin, you are locked out. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the everyone trick to force delete any folder in seconds. Let's get into it. First, right click the folder and go to the show more options, then properties. Head over to the security tab and click advanced at the bottom. See where it says honor. Now in this box, just type everyone and hit OK. Now you will see the honor has changed to everyone. Hit apply and OK. Close this. Again go to the advanced, change permissions. Click on trusted installer and remove it by clicking on the remove button. Just like this, remove everyone from this list. Then click on add. Click select principal, write name everyone. Click on full control to grant full access, then OK. Click on apply. Then come back to the folder, delete it. It will show you'll need to provide administrator permission to delete this folder. Click on continue, deleted, done. This is the fastest way to kick Trusted Installer out of your files. If this worked for you, drop a thank you in the comments and hit that subscribe button for more quick tech fixes. I'll see you in the next one.